Our next speaker is Petronel Bigioi. He is the Chief Executive Officer of FotoNation. He has a very long bio, and he mentions here many, many sources of experience. He's been in the industry for over 25 years. He has been here as the CTO of another organization. He has been involved in signal processing, I think your whole career, is that right? He's was involved in his PhD work in writing a protocol which is still used by the iPhone to process photos. He's an incredible wealth of experience. He is going to introduce to us MPU Plus, which is really a transformative solution for doing signal processing at the edge. So please thank Dr. Petronel Bigioi.
All right, thank you so much, Eric, and thank you everyone for attending my talk here. We're living very interesting times. All of this Gen AI makes our lives a lot easier. Does shopping for us, most recently through agents. It's basically helping us with coding. And I thought in the morning I actually asked ChatGPT about giving me a joke to ease into my talk. So I gave it a few details about myself, and I said, look, give me a joke to start my talk with. And it said this: I suggest you actually start a Gen AI company to actually solve the power consumption problem. So you should promise zero power consumption, evaluate it at 4 billion, sell it, and retire. So I didn't quite understand, was that a joke or a criticism to what I'm doing? But there you go. I let it to you to decide, right? So today I'm getting into the real world, and I'm going to introduce to you this MPU Plus. Plus comes from the next generation of this core that's designed for deep embedding into edge AI devices. A pretty fancy way to say that it does computer vision and signal processing using basically neural processing methodologies and technologies coupled with traditional signal processing methods.